In a major confidence building measure for Jammu and Kashmir, Indian government has accepted the state's proposal of amnesty to the Kashmiri refugees and the Mujahidin in Azad Jammu and Kashmir who want to return home without weapons and want to join the mainstream. Mujahideen as well as the general public in the AJK are skeptical about this recent move by India.
हम ये समझते हैं कि ये भारत की एक नई चाल है और मुजाहिदीन जम्मू कश्मीर उसकी किसी भी साजिश और चाल में आने वाले नहीं हैं। हम चूँकि एक बड़े मकसद के लिए हिजरत करके आज़ाद कश्मीर आए हैं, हम तहरीक की आज़ादी के पुश्तबान हैं और इंशाअल्लाह इसकी पुश्तबानी के लिए सरगर्म रहेंगे। और हम ये भारत को बता देना चाहते हैं कि उसका कोई भी हरबा और उसकी कोई भी चाल कामयाब नहीं होगी उस वक्त तक जब तक वो अपनी फोर्सेस को जम्मू कश्मीर से विड्रा नहीं करता।
अगर इंडिया मुजाहिदीन के मामलात में इतना मुखलस है तो वो फौरी तौर पर कश्मीर से अपनी फ़ौजें जो हैं वो निकालें। फ़ौजें निकालने के बाद वो मुजाहिदीन को दावत दें कि वो अपने घरों में आएँ और अपने घरों में आबाद हो जाएँ।
Thousands of Kashmiris had crossed over to Azad Jammu and Kashmir from 1989 due to the uprising against the Indian occupation on the Jammu and Kashmir. Experts believe that the CBMs cannot yield fruitful results as long as India continues human rights violations in Kashmir.
Number of young Kashmiri boys during last couple of years went back to Srinagar, but they could not live normal life. They were tortured, they were jailed. So in these circumstances, this CBMs, which is looks very nice, sounds very well, but cannot produce any good results and cannot work until India take some concrete steps. And there should be, the major step should be to revoke the draconian laws inside Kashmir.
The issue of return of Kashmiri youth from the AJK shot to prominence in 2006 when a delegation of leaders from Jammu and Kashmir, including Umar Abdullah and PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti, arrived in Pakistan. Several Kashmiris stuck in the AJK met them and asked them to facilitate their return, saying they were homesick. Critics believe that India, by declaring Azad Jammu and Kashmir its integral part, wants to give an impression that Kashmir dispute is its domestic issue and wants to prove to the world that they are open to the refugees and are not violators of human rights. Many experts believe that India would take up this issue with Pakistan during the upcoming Foreign Secretaries level talks scheduled on 25th of this month in New Delhi. Sammer Abbas, Dawn News, Islamabad.